Hi, good morning. I am Dr. Arun, a specialist in internal medicine working in Qatar. As all of us know, the corona infection causing COVID-19 pandemic is spreading all over the world. It is affecting each corner of the world, all population, whether it is poor, rich, all categories of population. And even right now, few reports of infection spreading to the pet animals. Pet animals also reported from Europe. The devastating problem caused by corona infection is death to the special category of people, especially those who have underlying illness like diabetes, cardiovascular illness, hypertension, obesity, as well as old age people, those who are more than 60 years, and the mortality among this category of people are very high. The devastating effect of corona infection is not only the death caused by the virus and its complications, it is affecting the life of common man. As you know, to curb the spread of infection, almost all countries they have done a lockdown procedure which actually made the life stand still. And for the common man, when there is lockdown and there is no job, they don't have any money for day-to-day life. So the life of common man also seriously affected by corona pandemic, and it's affecting mainly the poor people all over the world. Right now the infection is spreading vigorously in US, followed by Brazil and India, even though mortality in India is low. The main treatment modality for this infection is social distancing and using face mask, avoiding crowding. These sort of preventive methods are useful to prevent this infection. And right now there are research going on in different part of the world regarding medicine as well as vaccine against corona infection. Hope this vaccine will success within few months and it will curb the infection.
वो कोरोना का वजह से उसका काम ख़त्म हो गया और वो 3 महीने वो उधर बैठा था, वो काम नहीं था। तो अभी 1 महीने के पहले वो वापस आया। अभी इधर उसको काम कुछ नहीं मिल रहे। हमारे हॉस्पिटल में तो भी वो आधा दिन ड्यूटी कर दे रहे हो। अभी हमारा घर में मेरा पति और 3 बच्चा और माँ बाप रहते हैं और मेरा छोटी सैलरी से वो पूरा का परिवार चल रहे और हमारा घर का काम चल रहा था। वो आधा करके बंद हो गया वो कोरोना का वजह से। अभी पैसा भी नहीं है और काम भी करने का बहुत मुश्किल हो गया। अभी लास्ट ईयर में बहुत बारिश था हमारा गांव में। अभी ये साल का बाद पता नहीं, वो ऐसा ज़्यादा बारिश आएगा तो बहुत मुश्किल है इधर रहने के लिए। और अभी मेरे पति इधर काम ढूंढ रहे। वो ये लॉकडाउन के वजह से किधर भी काम नहीं मिलता है और अभी और ढूंढ रहे। हमारा परिवार चलने के लिए अभी बहुत मुश्किल है।